what a pain. Interrupted my whole line. Got my coffee spilling, can't hear a thing. This metal beats just a little the same. All the blare making a fuss. Ain't no peace for any of us. Trying to make a call, talking to my mama. Getting that whistle sounds like a drama. Every single time, without a doubt. These iron monsters just gotta shout. On the train, a terrible train, driving me insane. Again and again, stuck on the tracks. Can't move an inch, this noisy nuisance. What a wrench, wish they just vanished, fade away. Give us some quiet for just one day. Yeah, the train, a terrible train, driving me insane. Again and again. Got places to be, got things to do, but that old freight train, it's coming through. 15 minutes, maybe 20 more, just sitting here, bored to the core. My appointment's waiting, boss don't frown, cause these rule conductors running this town. They don't care about your schedule or your pace, just chugging along at their own damn space. From the city hustle to the country road, this train's a heavy honking load. On the train, a terrible train, driving me insane. Again and again, stuck on the tracks, can't move an inch. This noisy nuisance, what a wrench. Wish they just vanished, fade away. Give us some quiet for just one day. Yeah, the train, a terrible train, driving me insane. Again and again. Roll to the clickety-clack, ain't no turning back once it's on the track. But a little respect, a little courtesy for us folks just try to be free. Of the constant wait and the piercing sound, the most annoying thing is this slow down on the train, a terrible train, driving me insane. Again and again, stuck on the tracks, can't move an inch. This noisy nuisance, what a wrench. Wish they just vanished, fade away. Give us some quiet for just one day. Yeah, the train, a terrible train, driving me insane. Again and again. Yeah, the train, just go away. Running on the track, another day. No more honking, no more wait, just peace and quiet. That'd be great.